next 5 minutes. Once again, a very, very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Request you all to please settle down as we shall begin our session in the next 5 minutes. Thank you for your patience.
Dreams come from a flash of inspiration. Creation comes from combining passion with intent. All the seeming impossibilities can become infinite possibilities. In the era of Industry 4.0, Taiwan, in unison with the world, is opening up new horizons of innovation with smart machines. We demand the highest standards of craftsmanship so that technology can realize people's desires. For it is people who drive technology to ever greater heights. Build with the world. Build dreams. Build the future. Build together with Taiwan Smart Machinery.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, can I please request you all to settle down as we are about to begin our session. A very, very good afternoon, distinguished guests, media friends, and ladies and gentlemen from India and all around the world. Thank you so much for joining us here today. Well, on behalf of Taiwan Excellence, I, Melanie Pace, warmly welcome you all to our flagship event, Together for Automation Excellence at the Automation Expo 2024, where we bring you the best Taiwanese technology and innovation all under one roof. With automation solutions on the rise, we are proud to introduce cutting-edge Taiwanese products to cater to the evolving demands of India's industries. Taiwan Excellence aims to address the growing needs of the Indian markets with superior automation solutions, paving the way for mutual growth and commitment. As we gather here, ladies and gentlemen, we are driving progress by promoting collaboration between Taiwan and India, fostering mutual growth and prosperity. In this product launch event, 5 Taiwanese brands, Hiwin, Advantech, Meanwell, Syntec, that includes 2 brands, Leantech and Jumbo Laser, and last but not the least, Planet, will be sharing information about the latest product offerings and solutions that will be highly beneficial for Indian industries. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to grace this event, we have with us Mr. Homer Chang, Director General of Taipei Economic and Cultural Center. Thank you, sir, for being here with us. And our esteemed guest, Mr. Jitendra Shah, President, Federation of Association of Maharashtra. A very, very warm welcome. I would now request Mr. Chang to please join me on stage to felicitate our esteemed guest. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, please. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Jitendra Shah. Let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause. Welcome, sir. For a picture, please. Thank you. I would now request all our brand representatives to please join me on stage. Let's begin with Mr. Ricky Chen. Let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause. Mr. Bharat Chaudhary. So can we have you on stage? Mr. Binaka Varadaraju. Warm welcome. Mr. Raghavendra Nayak. And Mr. Vishal Khatokar. Let's welcome all our brand representatives with a huge round of applause, please. All right, I request Mr. Chang to please remain on stage and request our guest and our brand representatives to please take their seats. Thank you so much for being here with us. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to take this wonderful day forward and to deliver the welcome address, I would like to request Mr. Chang to do the honors. Sir? So would you like a hand mic or is this comfortable? All right.
All right. Distinguished guests, leaders, friends from media and industries, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my pleasure to be here today at the Automation Expo 2024. On behalf of Taiwan, I would like to welcome all of you to be here at the Taiwan Excellence, the Taiwan Together for Automation Excellence product launch today. The enthusiasm for Taiwanese-made products last year that my colleagues witnessed was very inspiring. And we know that Indian manufacturing is booming, and we, Taiwan, is thrilled to be a partner on this journey. Taiwan is renowned for its very affordable and high quality and innovative automation solutions. And we'll be more than happy to share that with you. The Taiwanese companies are at the forefront of Industry 4.0, combining AI, robotics, and IoT to create greener, smarter, and more efficient factories. So today, we are proud to present the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion, which is located at Hall 2, booth P8, for you to explore. And I think that's the location that you are mostly encouraged to go to take a look over there at the pavilion. And to dive deeper into these cutting-edge Taiwan products, here today, we have altogether 34 Taiwanese companies presenting, 17 Taiwanese companies presenting 34 cutting-edge solutions here at this event. And 5 from the companies, they are namely Advantech, Syntec, Mingwell, and Planet, and Hiwin. They will be here to share their expertise with you at the product launch. And I would like to say again, I'll invite you and welcome you to explore the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion at Hall 2, booth P8, and engage with our experts over there. Let's work together to shape the future of manufacturing in India. I thank you and wish you all a great and fruitful afternoon. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your remarks. I would now request Mr. Jitendra Shah to please come on stage and share a few words. Let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Mr. Homer Cheng, Director General of Taipei Economic and Cultural Center, TECC, esteemed guests and fellow attendees. Greetings from Federation of Association of Maharashtra, an apex body representing over 750 associations across Maharashtra, spanning all spectrum of businesses. It is with great honor and gratitude that I stand before you today, representing FAM. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Taiwan Excellence for inviting us for this prestigious event, where we have the privilege to engage with the best and the brightest in the Taiwan's machinery industry. This gathering is a testament to the power of collaboration between nations. Over the past few decades, the business relationship between India and Taiwan have grown remarkably stronger, marked by mutual respect and shared goals. Today, we continue to build on this foundation, exploring new avenues of cooperation that promises to benefit both our economies. We are poised to witness the unveiling of the latest advancement in energy-efficient and eco-friendly automation solutions. These innovations are not just tech marvels, but also vital contributors to our shared goals of transforming India's manufacturing sector in alignment with our country's ambitious Make in India and sustainability initiatives. I am particularly eager to explore the solution presented by the leading Taiwanese brand, including ION, Advantech, Hiwin, and others. Their pioneering work in machinery, automation, industrial PCs, IoT devices, and accessories will undoubtedly be instrumental in shaping a greener, more efficient future for our industries. As farm representing more than lakhs of traders across Maharashtra, we are committed to strengthening the business ties further. We envision FAM as a bridge connecting our vast network of traders with Taiwanese business, facilitating opportunities for collaboration, innovation, and growth. Together, we can build a future where both our nations thrive through shared knowledge, resources, and a deep commitment to sustainable development. Once again, I extend my sincere thanks to the organizer for bringing us together on this platform to explore collaboration and foster growth. I am confident that today's discussion will pave way for a bright and a prosperous future for Indian manufacturing sector. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Farm. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insights with us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward to the main reason why we all are gathered here today. We will now hear from some of the top experts from Taiwan Excellence to understand their vision for the future of automation. First up, we have Mr. Ricky Chen, sales representative from Hiwin Technologies. Well, he will be presenting on eco-solutions for green automation. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, please.
Okay. Good afternoon. It's great to be here with you today. My name is Ricky Chen from Hiwin. Hiwin is the leading motion components brand with the system technology. At Hiwin, we are always innovating. We start from making the key components to subsystems, and now we can provide the total solutions. And first of all, I want to bring you to review what Hiwin is doing. As most of you know, Hiwin is very strong at the linear motion components like ball screws, linear guideway, and single-axis robots. We're also making robots like SCARA robots, articulated robots, wafer robots, and the key components of the robots, duct talker, strain wave gear. We have also another solutions for machine tools like torque motor rotary table. And our sister company, Hiwin Microsystem, who are making motors like linear motors, direct drive motors, and AC servo motors, and of course, controllers and drives. All these products, on their own, each is industry leading, and together, it can provide the total solutions. And today, I'd like to discuss more about how we can take our product even further. But before I do that, we need to admit ESG is becoming more important. Many multinational companies are now asking their suppliers to cut down on carbon emissions, which means if we want to work with them, we need to adopt greener practices. Doing so, not only we can help environments, but also we can attract more customers. And Hiwin, we are deeply committed to the ESG principles. And of course, we set the ambitious goals to reduce 42% of the carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve net zero by 2050. To reach these goals, we are focusing on improve energy efficiency and innovative low carbon products and reducing waste and also using renewable energy. By doing this, we help our customers meet their own ESG goals while providing high quality and sustainable products. And now, I'd like to introduce two eco-friendly products, Intelligent 4.0 series and Direct Drive Motor DMT. And let's get started by Intelligent 4.0 series. As you can see, our ball screw, linear guideway, and single-axis robot equipped with the sensors and connected to the edge computing modules, the users can observe the status of the products at any time by PC, laptop, or even your mobile phone. Through interviews with leading global customers, we found that most customers face the very serious issues, which is unexpected failure. Every mechanical component has a lifespan, and we can't exactly predict when it will fail. And when it fails, the entire production lines will be shut down. And it will take a lot of time to find the problems and wait for the new parts to arrive. And these periods will let customers lose a lot of money. To address these problems, our R&D teams has strived to develop the revolutionary Intelligent 4.0 series. Okay. So let's take 20 seconds to look at its features. This Intelligent 4.0 series can have four main features. One is it can detect vibration, and it can do the smart lubrication and life prediction, and also it can detect the temperature. With these features, customers can avoid the unexpected failure. In addition, Intelligent 4.0 series is fulfilled our ESG commitment and also help customers in all industry reduce carbon emissions. For example, in machine tool industry, it can reduce 30% of the ineffective working hours, and in semiconductor industry, it can give you the real-time vibration detection. And in automation industry, it can increase 25% of the human-machine ratio. So in conclusion, replacing these products can help customers reduce 30% of the detected rates and save 50% of the electricity, and also save 143 liter lubricant every year. So in total, it can reduce 200 kilograms carbon emissions each year. And next, I'd like to introduce Direct Drive Motor DMT, which is made by our sister company, Hiwin Microsystem. DMT has helped many customers in the semiconductor industry to improve their production efficiency for the AOI application. The customer who use DMT not only can improve the production efficiency by 20%, but also can reduce 20% of the power consumption. And more than 99% of the metal materials are recyclable. So in total, it can reduce 500 kilograms of the carbon emissions each year. And these are eco-solutions that Hiwin can provide. To sum up, Hiwin is the leading company of the motion control and system technology. We committed to reduce 42% of the carbon emissions by 2030 and achieve net zero by 2050. To reach these goals, our R&D teams innovated the revolutionized eco-friendly products, which are Intelligent 4.0 and Direct Drive Motor DMT. These products not only enable customers to reduce carbon footprint, but also enable customers to be more competitive in the future. If you want to know more about Hiwin, just scan the QR code on the screen and feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or email. My name is Ricky Chen. Thank you for listening.
Well, thank you so much for that enlightening presentation. We truly hope to see Hiwin continue its outstanding contributions to green automation. Ladies and gentlemen, next we have Mr. Bharat Chaudhary, Assistant Sales Manager from Advantech, who will introduce you to modular TPC FPM. Let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause, please.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Bharat Chaudhary. I'm from Advantech and representing Industrial Modular Panel PC from Advantech, which is recently launched by Advantech. Okay, as far as Advantech, you might be most of you know that around 40 years, Advantech is representing as a panel PC manufacturing company, which is innovative product solution for many vertical like automotive, pharma, and renewable energy sector. As far as revenue concern, around 2 billion USD that we have crossed in year 2023. Market capital point of view, around 10 billion market capital in year 2024. As far as employee concern, in Advantech Group, almost more than 8,000 employees are working as on date. As far as the sector point, we are working with the sector like Industry 4.0, industrial IoT, embedded computing, working with different vertical like smart city development, medical industry, retail, as well as logistics.
Maybe
So today the main agenda for this presentation is about modular TPC, and it is combination with our FPM series display. So it is configured within the 3 steps. That is, first, whatever your requirement of display size or monitor size, whether it is from 12 inch, 15 inch, 18 inch, or 21 or 24 inch. So our FPM series display can interface with our computing box. There are 3 different computing box come with that. One is from TPC B300 series, which is recently launched, as well as another is the TPC B20 series, which is a Core i processor, and the third one is highest one is TPC B610. So based upon the different CPU processor, we have configured this. And in order to interface with the external automation world, to interface with any third-party devices, we have iDoor technology through which you can interface with any legacy platform from like Siemens, Rockwell, Backup. So we have different IO modules that you can interface with any third-party controller. What is the beauty part of this TPC APM series? There are 4 unique advantages that are offered by the TPC touch panel PC. First is the flexibility, as there are different three CPU options are there. So you can, as per the application requirement, you can select your processor and start your development. Second is easy maintenance, because as these TPC are not fixed with the CPU port, you can remove it, and if the display is having problem, or you can send for the maintenance, and you can plug any standby display to it, and once it get repaired, you can again remove that and put the older one. So no need to send entire product for the maintenance. So this is what, for easy maintenance point of view, this is a very good product. Then you can do the customization. We can give the about the logo customization option is also available with this TPC series. Forward compatibility point of view, that in this automation market, you never know that your application going to be changed or it is going to enhance. So if you are working with like Atom processor and future that workload get enhanced, so no need to replace the complete panel PC. Just you need to change your backend CPU. That could be i3, i5, or i7 processor. So for future point of view, this is very good feature offered by the TPC. These are the 3 steps through which you can configure. These are the new product that we launched. That is, one is TPC B20 series, second is TPC B20L, and the display size display series APM DX series. It has 2 different options, C and HE. So how is the takeaway from the TPC B220? First, that as compared to B510, it coming on i5 processor i7, but it's from 8th generation. But in TPC 520 series, it comes with Intel iCore processor with i5, i7, but 13th generation. Again, LAN point of view, this 2.0 Gbps LAN port is there. Again, M.2 interface also there. USB 3.0, that communication is there. Extended temperature range, it can sustain up to the 60 degrees, which is a very harsh environment also. As per the design is concerned, this is the back view from the TPC series, that it comes with i5 processor as well as i7 processor option also there. Then you can interface PCI SSD hard disks as well as Wi-Fi 6 enabled support is there. Then 3 different IPM, DP port and Type-C display you can interface with this TPC. As well as it supports Windows 11, as well as if you want to run on a Linux platform, so it can support that Linux platform also. DC supply, even at low voltage like 19 volt, it can run on a 19 volt supply. Up to you can supply up to 24 volt DC. Extended temperature like minus 20 to 60 degree, it can withstand. It comes with TPM 2.0 security enable, as well as, and from 12 inch to 24 inch, you can have a different display module. And as it had a serial communication like 232, 485 communication is also there, and M.2 interface also there. This is that backport. You can interface the display size behind it from 12 inch to 24 inch. So again, M.2 Wi-Fi 6 enable Bluetooth connectivity is also there. Even latest generation like DDR5 RAM, you can interface with this TPC series, and you can connect up to enhance up to 32 GB RAM. NVM RAM option also there for interface with the third party any communication. We have IDOR technology through which Ethernet communication, you can interface digital I/O on this panel PC. Even 5G connectivity option also there with this latest generation TPC. This is the backend view that IDORs, through this IDOR slot, you can interface IOs to it. You can interface like Profibus, Profinet, or EtherCAT communication on this. Then it have a DP port, then USB 3.2, USB 2.0 interface also there. It comes with 2.5 GB LAN port. Number 2 ports are there. RS-232 communication also there. Then remote DC. Optional, that power button you can interface from externally also. This is the complete backend view of this TPC series. That whatever the IDOR technology, it's come with the panelless design. So in a harsh environment, it can use also expansion M.2, for PCI SSD slot interface. You can interface M.2 slot for Wi-Fi 6. Compared to even 5G LT board. It comes with RS-232, 422 as well as 485 with 2 connectors. This is from my side. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chaudhary, for sharing your insights on modular TPC FPM. Our next speaker is Mr. Benaka Varadaraju, Managing Director, Meanwell Enterprises. Well, he will discuss Meanwell's ultra-slim PCB and outdoor harsh environment power supplies. Let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause, please.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Hope you guys hear me loud and clear. Okay. Now, I had Meanwell India business for India, and we have set up in 2019, and we have a manufacturing plant here in Bangalore. Okay, I'll give you some insights on Meanwell. Okay, Meanwell is headquartered from Taiwan, and we have set up in 1982. And as you can see, we have a group employees of 832, and we have more than 3,000 contract workers with us. And in 2023, we are crossing something around 1.056 billion, and this year we are expected to close 1.5 billion. Okay, this map shows like Meanwell is everywhere, all over the world. Okay, so our business is through majorly distribution channel, and we cater to the global requirements through our authorized distributor partners. More than 245 authorized partners are there to cater to our demands, and you can see the whole chain here in this map. We are an original brand manufacturing company. We are not a OEM or a ODM kind of an enterprise. We are a OBM kind of an enterprise. So majority of the products are off the shelf. So we build standard power supplies to cater to the general demand of the market. So if you come with a requirement, we can close it with the standard product itself. We will not be customizing much. So you can have with a standard product solution. We are number 4 in the world as of now, and we are estimating to reach number 2 this year, and hopefully we will grow further in coming years. Okay, this map can see like so many solutions. Like we have solutions on enclosed, in-rail, DC to DC, AC to DC, inverters, bidirectional chargers, and so many solutions. So you just let us know what is your requirement, what is your specifications. We can give solutions from our basket. Okay, and applications which we cater to are general applications, industrial products, as well as telecom, medical, and automation, green energy, energy generation, and many, many applications. And today I'll be discussing about two products, and which we see that it is an excellent product to be considering for your upcoming projects or opportunities, I would say. The first one is 2.3 kilowatt HEP, very harsh environment solution product. And second one is a very high density, small form factor, 600 watt open frame power solution. This is a 2.3 kilowatt solution, IP68 rated product. It can go into many applications, let's say industrial, telecom, your tunnel applications, or so many industrial applications, automation and other products. And you can see the efficiency. Efficiency is 96%, and it has a very wide operating range. Okay, and it has communication protocols like CAN bus, PM bus, and other protocols. Next, this goes into applications like charging, as well as laser cutting equipments, electrolysis, and other process. This is LOP 600. It's an open frame AC to DC power supply. The main important aspect of this product is like it has weight compliances. Okay, many standards has been already proven on this product. Like it can go into your IT audio video applications, industrial product, medical product. The same product can be used in so many applications, and it has very, very small form factor, 4 by 2 inch and 3 by 5 inch kind of a form factor. So you can fit this power supply in very compact space. Okay, and it has an operating range of -40 to +80 degrees Celsius. Okay, these are the applications like IT, medical, industrial, and other product applications. Okay, that's it from my side. I'll be taking questions later part. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you so much for a detailed presentation on Meanwell's innovative power solutions. Now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Raghavendra Nayak, Director of Syntec Technology India Private Limited. Well, he will be presenting on the factory green industry revolution with robot and automation from Syntec, Lean Tech, and Jumbo Laser. Let's welcome Mr. Nayak.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the opportunity. With my earlier speakers, I am very much inspired. Our technology is going forward with the eco-friendly. That means we are giving the return gift to our nature. Thank you so much for that. And with that, I'll present about Syntec technology products. So Syntec India is a new baby. We just 6 or 7 months old to India, but our technology, but our technology started from 1995 from Taiwan. As we mentioned, we are the first Taiwan company leading a brand in China as well as in Taiwan, in the machine tool as well as in automation field. So we have around 75% market share in CNC lathe in China, and we have more than 88% direct sales throughout the to the OEM in the market. And why Syntec brand is not known? Yeah, actually we didn't have our own marketing team earlier. So, but that is a reason maybe 70% of our manpower is PhD holders. So they are doctors. So now we are established in the market. So everywhere, including in India, we established Syntec India just last year, November 2023. So let's come to our Syntec product. So Syntec group mainly into the complete turnkey solution, I can say. So we have CNC controller for machine tool, servos, dedicated controller for motion controller, robot, Industry 4.0, and of course the jumbo laser, which we are displayed here in the exhibition. So let's talk about how we are catering to the industry with eco-friendly. So this is the annual installation of industrial robot. This statistic just gives the trend about where we are and what we need to be done for the Indian machine tool market. So this is a trend which consistently it is growing with a CAGR of around the robotics is around 35 to 40% with a CAGR result. So we are using still around 50% of the market with the traditional robot market. So that can be replaced with the complete robot in different industries. So we are also manufacturing the robot for different market segment. Of course, our friend from Hiwin also be here. So we are not a competitor, we are building our nation here. So it's the same business. So together we'll do and grow our India very well. So robot expert, actually the tending application which I show in my next thing. So green industrial revolution is again metal cutting factory. So we give digital twin, flexible cell, cloud system, smart machine, and the measurement. How we'll do, I'll show in my next presentation. So trending the machine, our 80, means as I mentioned earlier, the gantry applications, which has been done through in a traditional way. Currently, the 80% of the segment is still using the gantry application with the teach pendant. So that can be only 20% we have the market share till now. So that can be replaced with the complete 80%. So that means currently the CAGR, which I said, around 35 to 40% of robot industries, that can be replaced even though more. We can do better robot market to do the smart manufacturing. So these are some references, industrial robot and collaborative robot. So we give all the solution. So we always believe in efficiency, diversity, and general. And in collaborative robot, it is very light, quick, and safe. So lean tech robot solution, we have built-in robots, lean loaders, and flexible automation. So as you can see, the built-in robot it's a machine part. The robot work as a machine part. Lean loader is a one machine, one robot give the solution. So which can replace the manpower. So and 24/7 it will work as a complete machine setup. The another thing is flexible automation. Line of machine without any issue. It's like a manpower, robot manpower. So these are some of the example and case studies for built-in robots, which I am not going into the detail because which I mentioned, the built-in robots, it is a peripheral of the machine part. So these are the lean loaders for many small component. Actually, we are spending too much of time. So with that, to cater that, we have a very small component to give the accuracy which can run 24/7. We have the solution like lean loader. So with this robot, we can easily communicate handshake with the machine and we can do give the solution. So machine tending application, as I mentioned, it is not just a tending. So how it can be improved? So like this, we have the software called SynFactory and the robot cell SynMaster, which gives the complete machine tool solution as a turnkey solution. We can give it. So which include everything. So this is what I said about the case study of the machine tending with the SynFactory cloud system. So case study, this is a case study for flexible automation. Means we have, thank God, actually we have very huge machine setup in many companies like Maruti and other company, Hero Motocorp and other companies. There the lines, if any one line fails, then it is an issue with the production. So that can be avoided by doing the smart manufacturing with the solution. So everything can be automized based on the requirement. So we can have our own, from our laser marking system, we can develop the code. It can be scanned, it can be loaded into the CNC, and it can be produced and give the feedback to the management. So this is one demo cell which include everything, which again, actually you can have your own utility dashboard, energy monitoring, tool compensation, and the production tracking. So this is our jumbo product, again our Syntec group. So this we have displayed in our stall. I would like to request you, please have a demo in our machine. This is again, we have a laser marking system. You can take any of the letters and you can print it on the metal. It is possible. We can do it in our stall. So this is some of the product which will not go into the detail, which I would like to explain in my stall. So see, these are some modular design which is auto-focused, so how it can be marked, and it is again with all automated. So some of the case studies we have referred here. I would not like to say where it is, so it is already mentioned. So some of the bigger component which we have done the laser marking system. So this is again the one more case studies. That's all from Syntec Group. So thank you so much for your attention. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for a wonderful presentation. Next, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Vishal Khatotkar, Director of Blue Box Communications Private Limited, representing Planet. He will showcase Planet's excellent solutions for industrial network infrastructure. Over to you, sir. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Thank you, everybody. So hi, my name is Vishal Khatotkar. I am the director and founder of Blue Box Communication Private Limited. I'm very proud to say that we have been associated with Planet for more than a decade now. It's a Taiwan-based company, and Planet recently completed 31 years, and it got listed on the Taipei Stock Exchange in 2003. And the products that Planet represents are majorly into networking infrastructure. So the major products that they have are LAN switches, then power over Ethernet switches. In wireless, they have LoRaWAN technology and 5G and Wi-Fi devices. Apart from that, we have industrial networking solutions, fiber optic solutions, and IP telephony. Along with that, to get the data from all these devices, we have network management softwares as well. So the core technology and the products, they have an extensive range of products as it was shown in the previous slide. The products are very user-friendly in design and very cost-effective. And the major focus in automation industry is the industrial networking products that we are offering. So here are 3 products that Planet has recently launched. This is a flat type industrial Ethernet switch, which is a power over Ethernet switch. So this is a complete range of PoE devices or the flat type switches that Planet has. And this is the recently launched product, WGS5225 series. More about this product. It is basically a power over Ethernet switch. When I say power over Ethernet, this switch not only can transmit data, but it also can deliver power to the devices. So it can power on cameras as well as it can fetch data from the cameras and bring it to the control room. it can give up to 720 watts of power. So cameras which have movement application or PTZ cameras can be powered on using these devices. This device also comes with a flat touch screen. So on this touch screen, you can see all the data which is there inside the switches, like how many devices are connected to switches, what is the power consumption of each and every device. So all this data regarding the power consumption and the devices that are connected to the switch can be monitored in real time. It also has a scheduling facility where you can, for example, if if the employees are on holidays, not all devices need to be powered on. So telephonies or devices which are not used in surveillance application can be powered off during the holiday period. And also you can check the power management or the power consumption of individual devices. A typical application of where these devices can be used, not only to power on cameras but also for IP telephonies, wireless access points, and many more devices. The second device that Planet has launched is a 5G network device. It's a 5G VPN router. It has applications into various areas, be it factory, building automation, transportation, or energy. This is the complete entire range of products which are there into industrial cellular gateways by Planet. So this key advantage of this device, it's a fully 5G device. It also has Wi-Fi 6 features. It has a dual SIM. So if there is a network provider which is not in operation, it will automatically switch over to the second network provider. It has a built-in cyber security features, and it will act as a full VPN server. It also comes with a GPS positioning, so these devices can also be used into transportation application, and you can use it in fleet management to track the locations or the live locations of your cars or vehicles. It comes encrypted with WPA security encryption. This is the highest level of Wi-Fi security encryption, which has 28-bit of encryption, which comes built in the device. The device also comes with WAN facility. So primarily you can connect it to the network using WAN, and if there is a failure of the WAN network, it will automatically switch to the SIM based network or the 5G network. So this way you have a complete uninterrupted service which is being provided. It can also act as an Wi-Fi hotspot. Some more application details. Then last but not the least, as today in the automation world, there is a huge demand of data transmission. So this is a TSN switch. To tell you in short, basically a TSN switch is used into data streaming applications, majorly where there is 4K or 2K data being streamed. So the data packets are very huge in size. So these packets need to be sent in a proper order so that they reach the end and the data transmission happens smoothly. So this is a switch which supports 10G communication or 10G speed communication. So the product features, like it can be used in various applications, not only in the IT but also in the OT networks. That's it from my side. All these solutions are available at our booth, so you can come visit and have a look at them in person. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Mr. Vishal, for your insightful presentation on Planet's smart solutions. I would like to thank all our speakers for being so dynamic, and thank you all for your patience and support. A big thank you to all our live audiences who joined us here today. Thank you so much for being here with us. Well, now it's time for a quick interaction with the media, followed by a tour of the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion that we have planned for you, where more cutting-edge technology and solutions awaits you. I now request you to please proceed towards the one-on-one interview area, which is towards my left. Thank you once again for being here with us. Thank you.